10 superfoods everyone over 60 should eat daily. Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness University, your daily source of simple, science-backed tips to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier at any age. If you're over 60, you already know that food plays a huge role in how you feel every day. So today, we're counting down 10 superfoods that can keep your mind sharp, your heart healthy, and your energy steady, without expensive supplements or complicated diets. Make sure to watch until the end. Number 10 might surprise you. Number 1. Oats. A warm bowl of oatmeal isn't just comforting. It's loaded with fiber that lowers cholesterol and helps stabilize blood sugar. It's the perfect start to your day. Number 2. Salmon rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon protects your heart and supports brain health. 2 servings per week can make a big difference in memory and mood. Number 3. Blueberries. These tiny berries pack a punch. Full of antioxidants, they fight inflammation and help protect your brain from age-related decline. Number 4. Spinach. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and magnesium, essential for muscle and bone strength. Add it to smoothies or salads. Number 5. Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics. Greek yogurt helps maintain muscle mass and supports gut health, both key to aging gracefully. Number 6. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. Just a small handful a day provides healthy fats, vitamin E and minerals that protect your heart and keep your skin looking youthful. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. They're rich in beta-carotene and fiber, supporting eye health and digestion. Plus, they taste amazing roasted or mashed. Number 8. Beans and lentils. Affordable, filling, and full of plant-based protein, beans help stabilize blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and keep you full longer. Number 9. Avocado creamy. Delicious and full of healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocado supports heart health and brain function. It's nature's butter, but better. Number 10. Green tea. A cup or 2 a day can boost metabolism, support brain health, and provide gentle, natural energy. It's also loaded with antioxidants that help slow the aging process. So, there you have it. 10 simple, affordable superfoods that can help you stay strong, active, and sharp after 60. Remember, healthy aging isn't about restriction. It's about nourishment. Add 1 or 2 of these foods to your daily meals, and your body will thank you in ways you can feel. From more energy in the morning to better sleep at night. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health and Fitness University, and share it with someone who deserves to live their best, healthiest life. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.